Guys, boy, do I have something interesting to show you guys. Now, get this straight, right? AI is a tool. It's a tool, a great tool, right? But if you don't know how to, if you don't know how to use it, you will end up wasting your time, right? So, I have been trying my utmost best, right? My utmost best to, boom, booyah. As you can see, it's the same avatar that I'm using right now for my well, I guess avatar, right? It's overlay in OBS. Now, how did I manage to get Claude to do this, right? It was a very interesting process. I really, like, for 1 or 2 weeks now, I have been trying to get Claude to do this. Let me show you. So I have been trying to get Claude to copy this guy right here. This fucking guy right here. I have been trying my utmost best. I have been prompting. I have been giving him all kind of prompts. Whoa, what's going on here? All right. I've been trying my utmost best, right? So he can reproduce this one. What I ended up doing, because every time he did it, he fucked it up big time. Dude, it was a fucking mess. Oh my god, I couldn't even believe myself, right? He fucked it up multiple times. And what's this one? This is, which one is this one? One example. So this, every time I gave him prompt and I gave him a picture, I even asked ChatGPT to like replicate that same drone. ChatGPT, of course, is a goat at making pictures, did the exact same picture. Now I asked ChatGPT to give it a bit of unique identity, right? So we went with the Mark 7 Iron Mark, Iron Man Mark 7 style, the gold and red, right? So we went for. I love it. But now the thing is, ChatGPT is not the issue. ChatGPT is really good at making pictures. As a matter of fact, I am today years old when I learned, or when I find out that every AI on our marketplace right now, every and each one of them are good at one specific thing. Claude is a beast when it comes at coding. ChatGPT is a fucking beast when it comes at putting together a picture. Gemini, yes, fucking Gemini is really good at making videos. Now, I don't know about the other ones. Now, Codex, I'll be fucking with Codex a little bit. I'm making a video about it later, but I'll be fucking a little bit with Codex, try to see the difference between Codex and Codex and Claude Code. I want to see which one is better. And so far, I'm not gonna lie, Codex is reasons better. Codex definitely reasons better, but it takes a little bit of time, to get things done. Meanwhile, it also does a bare minimum, right? It does a bare minimum, it's like bare bone stuff. But Claude may take a little bit of extra time, but it gives you something upscale as a result, basically, right? Now, speaking of how I got this model done, I ended up, doing what? I went online. If you are a graphic designer, you know what GLB format is. Basically, it's for 3D models that people render, like the avatar, like, for mesh and stuff like that, right? Basically, what I have to do is I went online, grabbed a picture that ChatGPT gave me, and I gave it to an AI that can turn the picture into a 3D model with GLB, converted to GLB, right? Basically, it's like a, think of it as Blender. There you go. Think of it as Blender, right? Think of it as a 3D model made by AI using Blender. But then again, it was online, some meshy website, whatever. That's what I ended up doing, and it gave me these results. When it gave me the raw, of course not moving model, right? That I gave to Claude. I said, now that you have this GLB model, right? Can you please now make it instead, make this available for, then so it is. If you want, right, you have a picture. Let's say, for example, me, in my case, I wanted the picture to become a real thing, 3D model that I can use for my overlay in OBS, right? As you can see right here. And I even gave it like these little thrusters, basically, which is, I really love it. I really love what Claude did, the job that Claude did. I really love it. But it took me, oh my god, it was a little bit frustrating because, again, I got my new PC, upgraded, but then I didn't have any more. I was dumb enough to forget to like save my OBS stuff from my old PC. Did everything I could. 1 week, 2 weeks, nothing. I keep getting these chop results. At the end of the day, yesterday it appeared to me, because again, thank God that I'm also dabbling into creating video games and stuff like that with AI, and I noticed that every time I try to like anything that's 3D, the AI asks me to, you need to import assets and then to be in this XYZ's converted to these, like GLB formats or whatever. So I will go and document it myself, and it turns out, oh, these websites do these XYZs. So it came up, and I'm like, wait a second, what if I give AI that model as a 3D model, because all he sees is a picture, right? He sees a picture, and not even a full picture. He just guesses what he thinks he sees. That's the fucked up part. But when he actually gets the 3D whole thing, he's like, oh, you know what? This is what you want. I got you. And that's what he ended up doing. Really good job. So this whole thing, me using AI for two weeks now, so for I think almost 3 weeks now, has taught me one thing. AI is really good. It's really good, right? But it can only be as good as the user is. If a user himself suck ass like I do, right? If a user himself suck ass like I do, absolutely AI is gonna suck. It doesn't matter the amount of prompt that you give it. You just be wasting your money, wasting your tokens. But thank God we have, AI here, and I'm grateful because, dude, I would have been stuck here and dealing with this shit, not doing what I'm doing. But then again, you have to be creative, even though AI is only a tool at your disposal. Literally it. Now, on a side note, before I forget, guys, the time has come. I'm at 300 subscribers. I really need your help to jump it up to 1,000, right? To push you guys, I am trying to do a giveaway. The giveaway will only be possible at the end of my goal, when I reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Yes. I have a PC literally sitting here next to me right now, because remember I said I upgraded my PC, so basically I have two. I have one that's just sitting there, and the other one is my main one that I'm using. The one that's for the floor is, I think it's a Ryzen 7 or Ryzen 5. I think it's Ryzen 7 something, and GPU is a GTX 1060 Ti. Yes, not the best, but it's 6 gig of video memory. Rounds will help. It served me well from 2020 to 2026 this year. I only upgrade this year, and I didn't even need to upgrade it. It's just because I just started using AI, and I felt as though I needed more. Even right now, I'm not on the craziest build. I'm on the most average build possible. I'm using another Ryzen 7. I think it's 57 XT, and the graphics card is the 3060 Ti. You know, so not on the crazy expensive side, but hey, it's a PC. And guys, you guys know how those RAM prices and PC parts nowadays are really expensive. My goal is at the end of when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I do a giveaway, to like help my guys, whoever watches my videos and stuff like that. And after that, I might do another one, we set another goal. But in the meantime, help me reach 1,000 subscribers, and one of you guys will get this PC. I will actually make a video where I'm pulling the name randomly, just randomly. I'll make it fair. Actually, I will have Claude pull a random name from the subscriber list. Okay, so all you have to do is just be subscribed, notification bells on. I believe you will get more chance if you join Discord, because you know why? Because every time I drop a video, anybody on Discord gets notified, and then hey, you got more chance. So yeah, basically that's the goal. Hopefully we reach a goal soon, and I give this piece to somebody, man, because it's taking up space. I need this shit out. Instead of just selling it to some random guy, I just want to give it to someone who watches my video, So again, thank you guys for watching. I will be posting soon again because I have another video planned. And yeah. Peace out, guys. I'll catch you later, okay? GG's. Bye bye.